And you have come to the right place, because that's really what the Corvette is all about, isn't it? Fun, excitement, and a wonderful legacy behind it. And that's why we're so excited to be introducing this all-new model, because it really is just that, all new. Redesigned from the wheels up. We've added the latest in terms of performance, technology, to really create the ultimate Corvette. In fact, we can say this is the most original model ever to roll off the line. See, even with the original 1953 Corvette, it borrowed certain components from other Chevrolets, but everything you see here was specifically designed for this vehicle. In fact, the largest place we've drawn inspiration from is our Corvette racing team. We wanted to take that racing performance, technology, apply it to a vehicle for the street. That's why you do see all these vents. Yes, they're all absolutely functional from the front to the sides and the back. We've also utilized a lot of lightweight materials like carbon fiber, the whole hood, this target top here in the middle. This is removable, by the way. A lot of people ask, pops off, stores in the back, gives you an open air driving experience. It's carbon fiber, so it's lightweight and easy to do. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our all-new 2014 Corvette Stingray. Now, as I mentioned, the Corvette has a long history with Chevrolet, over 60 years. And over that time, it's undergone a lot of changes. And in fact, we're very proud of this new model because we've only had 2 previous Corvettes that were deemed worthy of that prestigious Stingray badging. And a lot of people ask us, what is a Stingray? What differentiates a Stingray from a different Corvette? Well, the Stingray has to do a few things. For one, it has to evoke a certain kind of imagery, new refined style, luxury, amenities, but more than that, the latest and greatest in terms of performance, technology, and it has to deliver a driving experience that is second to none. That is exactly what this car is all about, ladies and gentlemen. Now, stylistically, we can already see a lot of the changes. Beautiful sculpted body lines, a sleek front end with the larger fenders, even new xenon headlamps with the LED turn signals. Now, at the back, we've kept the center-mounted quad exhaust system, but a major departure. We've gone away from the round tail lamps, going with a more squared-off variation. We thought they would be more sleek, aggressive, like the rest of the vehicle, and overall would just nicely complement the more angular body lines. They are 3-dimensional, featuring LED technology, and we've even refreshed the iconic Chevrolet cross flag emblem, proudly emblazoned there in the center back and on the nose. Now, as you take a look inside as the vehicle comes around, an interior unlike any other from a previous generation. You've got high-quality materials, highly bolstered, body-hugging seats. They really envelop you. And these are the Grand Touring seats, phenomenal for day-to-day, maybe racing to and from work. But if you do a bit more racing, maybe you're someone that takes your Corvette to the track on weekends, you might opt for the sport seats. Those can actually be seen on the interior cutout there on the wall. Either one you choose, when you sit inside, you're surrounded by luxury and premium amenities. And we really do mean that. If it looks like carbon fiber, it's carbon fiber. If it looks like aluminum, you got it. And if it looks like leather, it is premium grade A leather. That's how we're doing things. We've got 2 8-inch high-definition LCD screens, independent digital passenger climate control, push-button start excitement, and a fully customizable driving experience. You simply turn a dial, and you'll be able to adjust from 5 different driving modes. We've got weather, eco, touring, sport, track. Not only will adjusting your driver mode adjust the sensitivity of your suspension, but also will adjust your steering, handling, and your exhaust note. Now that's a big one. People come into the auto show and say, "Did you listen when I give my comments?" Yes, you asked, Chevrolet delivered, because a lot of people have asked us about this interchangeable sound on the exhaust. Because some of you like to cruise quietly through the residential neighborhood. Some of you don't. Some of you like to wake the neighbors a little bit, right? You want that rumble, that loud, curly exhaust on an all-American sports car. And you know what? You want it, it's there at your fingertips at the turn of a dial. Now here's the big one, performance, right? The engine on our Stingray Corvette is an all-new LT1. It's a 6.2-liter small block V8 in its 5th generation, produces an estimated 450 horsepower. 450-pound-feet of torque, made with your choice of a 7-speed manual transmission with active rev matching, or a 6-speed automatic with a paddle shift. It's going to take you from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, making this the fastest, most powerful base Corvette we have ever rolled off the line. And yet, it's also the most fuel efficient. That's right, we are easily estimating here over 26 miles to the gallon on the highway, thanks to new direct injection, variable valve timing, active fuel management. So whoever said you can't have your cake and eat it too, has not seen the Corvette Stingray yet, because this one really does have it all. Coming out third quarter of 2013, this fall, the new Stingray Corvette hits the streets. It has it all: styling, refinement, performance, and again, track-ready technology for the street. Above all else, a driving experience second to none. Truly worthy of that Stingray name, and it's going to be affordable. That's the last point. Now, pricing hasn't been officially announced yet, but we have been told, our current generation starts off at about $50,000. This will be slightly more, but we're still going to be well under that $60,000 mark. So that gives you a great, hey, that's how we do things here at Chevrolet. Now, of course, if anyone has any additional questions on our Stingray Corvette, just wave me down. I'm happy to answer them for you. Are they going to build? That's another question we've got. Higher performance, Z06, ZR1, convertibles. Well, I can tell you right now, they haven't made any announcements as to higher performance models, Z06, ZR1. That's what they did also with the previous 6th generation. The first year they introduced the coupe, and then a year later the Z06 came out. So although we haven't made any announcements about higher performance, always stay tuned to Chevrolet.com. That's where we always get the latest updates. So I'm looking forward to more and more as well. I just can't get enough. We also do know there is a convertible version coming out. They have not announced the production date at this time. However, it will be unveiled to the world for the first time on March 1st at the Geneva Auto Show.